Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to change the color of your H6 headings in WordPress but didn't want to install yet another plugin, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a simple 100% plugin-free method to customize your H6 color right inside WordPress. It's quick, clean, and works perfectly, so make sure you stick around till the end to see how it's done step by step. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress website. On the top right corner, click Login. If you're using a connected Google account, just hit Continue with Google. It's the fastest way to log in. Once you're in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, on the left sidebar, click Edit Site. This will take you straight to the site editor where you can make live design changes to your theme. This editor is powerful because it lets you style specific elements, like headings, without touching any code. Once inside the editor, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a styles icon, which looks like a half-filled circle. Click it and then choose colors. This section allows you to adjust color settings for various parts of your site: background, text, links, and more. Now, to specifically target your H6 headings, click on Elements inside the Styles panel. Here, you'll see a list of options like text, wall, links, and headings. Click the three dots next to headings. This reveals more detailed styling options. From there, select H6. You're now ready to customize just that specific heading level. Finally, you'll see the color palette appear. You can either pick a preset color from the palette or enter a custom hex code if you have a specific shade in mind. The best part? You'll see the changes in real time right on your site preview, so you can instantly decide what looks best with your theme. When you're satisfied with the color, just click Save in the top right corner, and that's it. Your H6 headings are now updated with your chosen color. No plugin, no coding, and no extra hassle. And there you have it. That's how you change your H6 heading color in WordPress without using any plugins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials, and comment below what other customization guides you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.